As an Etsy seller, I struggled with creating listing photos, but through this tool called Kittl, it became so much easier for me, from creating listing photos to listing videos. And let me show you something. Pag nag-search ka ngayon sa Etsy, mapapansin mo parang magkakamukha na yung mga listings. Same mockups, same layout, and honestly, that's the problem. Kasi kung pare-pareho lang kayo, bakit ikaw yung i-click? Now, here's the thing. A lot of sellers alam naman nila na kailangan ng listing video and yun nga ang recommendation ni Etsy. Pero wala silang time para mag-film, walang equipment, or hindi sila marunong mag-edit. So in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how I create listing photos plus listing video in one workflow using Kittl. So let's start with a real example. For this demo, gagawa tayo ng listing photos and video for a digital print which is also in demand sa Etsy. Inside Kittl, let's just start with the template. You can choose from the Etsy listing workflows available here, or you can just type on the search bar Etsy listing digital print. Now this is important. Instead of starting from scratch, gagamit tayo ng ready-made template for Etsy listings. So as you can see, this is Kittl workflow. Ang main goal natin dito ay ilalagay lang natin yung design natin sa template para makagawa tayo ng listing photos and video. First step, let's just add the design. So kung ano yung ginawa mong design na ibebenta mo, i-upload mo lang siya dito sa digital print template. Then remove natin yung existing design and replace it with yours. After that, i-adjust lang natin yung size para mag-fit siya perfectly. Then next, click on the next flow. This is where we turn your design into a mock-up. Just click it, then go to the prompt below and adjust it based on your preference. Once you're okay with it, click Regenerate. After that, flatten the image. Then simply drag the mockup you created into this section. Next step is the flow. Here you can choose to add an image board, video board, or mockup. But since we are already using a ready-made template, may mga preset na tayo. So what we'll do is click this design. Then below, may mga ready-made prompt na. You can either use that or edit it based on your preference. Then click Generate and automatic na siyang gagawa ng mockups. Then just repeat the same process for the other sections. What I like about this is ready na siya. You already have a hero photo which will serve as your Etsy listing thumbnail. Then meron ka ring close-up photo plus set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. For sets 1 to 4, you can easily customize them based on your preference. All you have to do is click the image, then click the prompt below, and adjust the prompt depending on the style or angle na gusto mo. This will serve as your listing photos with different angles and use cases. So, mas professional and visually appealing yung Etsy listing mo. Now, let's create a video. For example, from your hero photo, pwede tayong gumawa ng video na nag-gently zoom out yung product just like this one. Or you can choose set number 1. This turns your product into a video with product interaction. Let's say you want to change the white cat into a dog. Just edit the prompt, then click Generate. For set number 2 naman, if you want a time-lapse style video, you can also edit it and it will create a time-lapse version of your product. Just take note, when generating videos, mas matagal siya compared sa images. Then in the other sections, you can add important details that will really help your buyers decide. For example, you can add instructions after purchase like how to download, print, and frame the design. You can also add size charts, especially if you are offering multiple sizes, available colors or variations, and even customer reviews or testimonials. So kung gusto ninyong i-edit yung colors, yung fonts, you can change them dito sa Kittl. You can also include extra tips like where they can print or what type of paper works best. These small details may seem simple, but they really improve the overall buyer experience. And personally, I always include this in my essay listings because my goal is to answer all possible questions upfront. I don't want my buyers to feel confused before purchasing. When your listing is clear and complete, buyers feel more confident, and that usually leads to higher conversions. And lastly, you also get ready-made templates for Instagram and Pinterest. So kung gusto ninyong i-promote yung products ninyo sa Pinterest or Instagram, you can just simply click this photo and then flatten your design. And then, idadrag lang natin siya dito sa Instagram and Pinterest template. Send it backward so the text appears in front, and then you just adjust the text based on your branding. What's great about this Kittl template is that everything is already guided. So may mga instructions na siya dito para hindi tayo ma-feel lost during the listing photos or video creation. You don't have to start from scratch or overthink the process. In less than 5 minutes, you can already create 9 high quality listing photos and 1 engaging listing video. So from zero to a complete set of listing assets done in minutes. And after doing the listing photos and listing video, let's now download the listing photos and video. Tapos, let's upload this on our Etsy store. So, we already have 9 listing photos, and then mag-upload din tayo ng isang video which is recommended by Etsy. So, make sure na kapag kayo ay gagawa ng listing photos or listing sa Etsy, make sure that you include at least one listing video. And that's it. If you want to make your designs faster and more professional, even if you're a beginner, try using Kittl now. I have a special promo code for you guys. It's JECKA, JECKA. You'll get 25% off your first month or first year on any paid Kittl plan. This is a one-time discount for new users, so don't miss it. I'll just put the link and promo code in the description below. And if you'd like to see more videos about Kittl or selling digital products, just let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.